Today we're going to be making this easy and simple homemade body wash. It only takes a few ingredients. Let's get started. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Lynn, and in today's video we're going to be making us some homemade body wash. The last time I went to buy a body wash, it was so expensive, I decided I was going to buy the one Castile soap, and I'm going to make shampoo and body wash myself using this basic Castile soap to save money. Okay, y'all, when making homemade body washes, you can add any kind of essential oil you like. Just look for the ones that are best for your skin and look it up and figure out what your skin needs. And you can add any kind of oils also. I'm going to be adding some castor oil to mine, and then I have some coconut oil that's the liquid version, and I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil because right now it's winter and we have very dry skin. So this recipe that we're doing helps great when you get that dry skin and that itchy time of year, winter and sometime in the summer. So let's get started. Okay, you'll be needing some kind of bottle with a pump to put your body wash in. You can even use one that you had in the past and recycle it and reuse it and just add your solution to it. But these are great. You can buy these little pumps at Walmart, Amazon, or even the Dollar General carries them, I believe. We're going to go ahead first and we're going to just start adding our ingredients to this 2-cup measuring cup, so I'll have plenty of room to put my ingredients in. Okay, the first thing we're going to add is we're going to add 1 cup of this soap. And this is just your basic soap. I gave $6 for this bottle. So I'll be able to make this a couple times. Plus I'm going to make some shampoo with it. So we're going to add 1 cup of our soap. And then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of filtered water or distilled water, whichever you want to use. We have a filter, so I just use my water straight out of our filter system. So we're adding a 1/2 cup. Now you can add a whole cup and do a cup of soap to a cup of water. But I like my body wash to have a little bit of thickness to it, so I don't want to water that down too much. But now that is just your basic soap. So I'm going to go ahead now and I want to add something for my skin because it's so dry. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this castor oil. And if y'all hadn't ever used this, you can buy it at Walmart and even Amazon. It's where we got this brand. And this right here is great for your skin and your hair. And then I'm going to add around a teaspoon of this coconut oil. And now my soap has the lavender flavor, but I am going to go ahead and add just a few drops because I like the way it smells of lemongrass. That's probably around 6 drops of the lemongrass essential oil. And then we're just going to give that a good mix. And that changes colors once you add those different oils to that soap. Now we're just going to get our mason jar over here. Oh, that lemongrass and that lavender already smells so good. And we're going to add our homemade soap to this mason jar. Okay, now that recipe right there is exactly 1 pint of body wash. Put our little pump in there, tighten it up. And right there you have yourself some homemade body wash. And I didn't have to pay $10. Now, when making homemade body washes, you can look up different purposes of essential oils. And if you have something going on with your skin, you can look up which one you need to add for what skin type you have. But I'm just going to show y'all how it turns out. I've got a little dish of water right here. I'm going to get this to pumping. Okay, now that lets you see how it looks. And lets you see how it lathers up. Now that right there is going to make some great homemade body wash. And it's going to be good for my skin because I added the different oils. And if you're needing it even for hand soap, you could use this for hand soap because the castor oil and the coconut oils would be great for your dry skin this time of year. But right there is how it lathers. I think it does pretty good. We'll get it rinsed off. And you can see I've even got the bubbles. Okay, when using these all-purpose soaps like this, you can see this is a multi-purpose soap. It can be used for a lot of different things. You could use this for dish detergent. You could use this for body wash or shampoo. A lot of people say that these soaps are not thick enough and they don't lather. But that shows you right there that these Castile soaps that are better for you will lather up. And adding the castor oil and the coconut oil will help your skin. And you can, it's a little bit thinner. It ain't quite as thick as the store-bought body wash, but it works great and it makes your skin have that extra moisture that it's needing right now this time of year. Okay, everybody, I hope you like our video on how we made homemade body wash. It's easy and simple, and it's less expensive. So I hope this helps you save money and time. And comment down below if you think you might give this a try. It helps our videos get out there in the YouTube algorithm. Every time y'all give us a thumbs up and comment down below, it helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching.